Bird. Bird again. Parish. Big plus for the Celtics. The offensive board. Celtics have won 8 in a row at home and 17 of their last 18. Kevin McHale with his first basket.
Here's part of Boston's set offense, getting it to this man right here. Multiple low post players. Parish, McHale, Bird that can go down.
McHale ahead of the field. Sixers didn't get back on defense. Normally they do. First period, 14-10, Philadelphia leading. Larry Bird gets his first points of the ball game. He was not 100% weakened in Game 6 against Detroit. He's got that bone chips in his right elbow, and that's been bothering him, they say, more than even he'll let on. Good steal by Bird. Dennis Johnson it up, but Philadelphia is back quickly. Parish, good position inside. You're not going to stop that if he gets that low.
Parish hustling up, real mobility to put it on the floor and hit the outside shot. Pretty impressive.
Bird trying to draw the foul. He does. But as a bonus, he gets the basket as well. Is that a play the Celtics have used very often?
Well, you watch Robert Parish and McHale now try and get a piece of Dr. J. Has to trail behind. Everybody comes over to help out on Bird, but much too late. And he can smell double teams. That time he was just trying to get it up there and get the foul.
Tony committed the foul. Traveling call. Julius couldn't get free enough for Maurice Cheeks to find him. Here's the pass to McHale. They've done this 3 times now.
McHale
led by 6, and now the Celtics are up by 5 with 4 minutes and 12 seconds to go in the first period. An impossible shot by Moses Malone, blind under the hoop.
That was a Dr. J shot.
And he's 4 for 4, Tommy. Bird saves a wild pass. Parish. Robert Parish has 6 points now. The Celtic front line.
I mean, where does a big guy this size make a move like this? There's no place to go. They've got him pinned underneath, and he just finds enough sky to slide, hoping they'll capitalize on it in the second half.
Bird trying to capitalize on Bobby Jones, good defender. Danny Ainge hit his first basket of the ball game. So all
almost given 2 now. He's a prove-it-to-me player. He's proven to me plenty of times.
McHale, good move inside. 10 points for Kevin McHale. The best 6 was Clint off the mark. But Barkley gets the offensive rebound with 2 minutes to go and a blocked shot. 9 on the shot clock. 3-point lead. Bird setting a pick and roll now. Gets it inside. And the basket. Good battling. Second effort by Larry Bird. 2 seconds to go.
Dennis Johnson in the backcourt. They're not going to have that push up the court like they had with Buckner or Ainge in there.
Bird. Dennis Johnson. Cheeks was double teaming. Ainge. Bird. Fires up over Bobby Jones, and Larry Bird has 9.
There's some great defense. Watch Bobby Jones denying the ball, makes Bird pop back and then out to get it. And Bird, a little up fake, frees his shooting hand before Bobby Jones can get back out.
Low to Parish. Hook shot. They need that outside firepower. McHale working inside. He went around Sam Williams and has 18 points.
Well, Sam
got the wrist on the left. Malone. Blocked by Parish. Saved by Wedman. Wedman is having a terrific first pass. Dennis Johnson pulls up. And McHale on the tip-in for 20 points in the first half. No backcourt violation. Parish, who had a fine first half, hits the jumper. Parish now has 12 points. The 7-point lead. Parish. Bird knocks it away in midair. Hits the shot. Good hustle by Larry Bird. What else is new?
And Parish.
Philadelphia shot 55%. Boston 47. Kevin McHale already has 24 points.
Nope.
Oh, look. Short. Ainge. Parish.
As the big guys of the Celtics running, much to the chagrin to him a lot in the low post, they're going to mostly McHale in the low post.
Irving gambling for the steal. Bird. 13 for Larry Bird. With 8 seconds on the shot clock. McHale setting a screen. Dennis Johnson drives in. Parish. He's about as aggressive as we've seen.
Just did prior possession.
Lead is 1 point for the Celtics. They call on this man whenever they need a basket. And it's up to 3 again. All the way. Parish blocked by Clement Johnson. Hits the shot. He's not to be denied today, Robert Parish.
Well, they've got Moses out.
Tony trying to deny the pass. Johnson misses. There's Parish, though. Here come the Celtics. 5-point lead. And Maurice Cheeks got a piece of it, but Larry Bird scored. Next weekend in Philadelphia. Barkley has a shot blocked by Parish.
They know that Barkley is perhaps not going to pass the ball.
Bird. This is a 20-second timeout. The Celtics have opened it up.
Here we're going to see Barkley spin in, but watch that Venus flytrap defense of the Celtics. Clamp down on him, chew him up, and spit the ball out. And that up-fast offense of the Celtics produces a big basket.
Double team on McHale. Julius the rebound, comes out of the pass. Bird knocks it away. And here's McHale. Parish. 7-point Boston lead. Parish. 26 for Robert.
Didn't work.
Less than 2 minutes to play. Bird. Along with Sam Williams and Clement Johnson, as Billy Cunningham has emptied his bench for the final 34 seconds of this ball game.